What happens to child support when someone goes to jail? Hi, I'm attorney Kyle Kaufman of HKK Law Offices. We are family law attorneys based in Wisconsin, and we handle all types of family law matters. Thank you for watching this video. So Wisconsin, I want to tell you, recently updated some of the rules that went into effect January 1st of 2024. One of them deals with incarceration. So here's a rule when it comes to incarceration in Wisconsin, and that rule is that incarceration is not considered voluntary unemployment. All right, so Wisconsin has now specifically added that language to the Wisconsin DCF 150, which is the administrative code, which covers child support matters in Wisconsin. So please look at that. So what does this rule mean? Well, what the rule means is that incarcerated parents can seek modification orders. They can write to the court and say, hey, I'm now in jail or in prison and I want my child support order modified. And frankly, Wisconsin, the Supreme Court in Wisconsin has long held that incarceration is just one factor for a parent, or a court I should say, to consider when deciding whether to modify support. So the rule itself, or the idea I should say, that incarcerated parents can seek modification orders is not totally new, but what's new about it is that that language is specifically now added to the code. And there are actually some states that barred this, that said, hey, look, if you're incarcerated, there's a rule that you cannot seek a modification order. The federal government, which oversees all the child support and all the states, came in though and said, look, we want the states to all comply with this, and we want a rule in place that the states cannot enact essentially a rule or law that says you cannot seek a review when you go to jail. So Wisconsin has now complied with that. They've put that into the administrative code. So depending on which side of the aisle you are on, that's good or bad news for you. But the bottom line is, if you're incarcerated and you want to seek a review of your child support, that is a factor that a court can consider in deciding whether or not to change the actual order. I hope you guys like this video. I really appreciate you watching it, and I wanted to continue to make content for you. And one way you can help us, make an appointment. Meet with one of our attorneys to talk about your family law matter. Of course, you can subscribe, follow, like, share, and leave a comment. All right, take care. Have a great day.